see a question which is based on second law of thermodynamics, and the question is the entropy change for the process H2O solid to H2O liquid is 22.1 joule per Kelvin and requires that the surrounding transfer 6 kilojoule of heat to the system. Is the process spontaneous at minus 10 degrees Celsius? Is it spontaneous at plus 10 degrees Celsius? So, in this question, this process is of melting of ice, and we have to check the spontaneity of this process at minus 10 degrees Celsius and at plus 10 degrees Celsius. So, first of all, we will write the data which is given here. So, this is the entropy change of system. So delta S system is equal to 22.1 joule per Kelvin, and Q surrounding, this is given 6 kilojoule. So here this is negative because heat is transferred to the system, and we have to calculate a spontaneity at minus 10 degrees Celsius. So we can assess the spontaneity of the process by calculating the entropy change of the universe. If delta S universe is positive, then the process will be spontaneous, and if delta S universe is negative, then process will be non-spontaneous. So first of all, we will check at minus 10 degrees Celsius. So this is, we will check at minus 10 degrees Celsius. First of all, we will change degree Celsius into Kelvin. So the temperature will be 263.15 Kelvin. As we know that delta S universe equal to delta S system plus delta S surrounding. Delta S system plus, this can be written as Q surrounding upon T. Delta S system is given here 22.1 joule per Kelvin plus Q surrounding is minus 6 kilojoule. We will change in joule, so we will multiply 10 to the power 3 joule upon temperature is 263.15 Kelvin. After calculating the values, we will get minus 0.7 joule per Kelvin. So here delta S universe is negative. S universe is negative. So melting of ice will be non-spontaneous. At minus 10 degrees Celsius. So now we will check a spontaneity of the process at 10 degrees Celsius. We will change degree Celsius into Kelvin, so the temperature will be 283.15 Kelvin, and delta S universe equal to delta S system plus Q surrounding upon T. Delta S system is given, this is equal to 22.1 plus Q surrounding, this is equal to minus 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 upon temperature is 283.15. After calculating, we will get plus 0.9 joule per Kelvin. So we will get delta S universe is positive here. So S universe is greater than 0, so melting will be spontaneous. At 10 degrees Celsius.